Welcome to the beautiful world of ARTASHI India. Discover the artistry of ARTASHI India, handcrafted home decor that tells a story where tradition meets artistry. ARTASHI India crafts exquisite home decor items that bring a touch of cultural elegance to any space. A collection that blends beauty and purpose. Imagine candle holders intricately carved to cast mesmerizing shadows when lit, or vases that stand as sculptural masterpieces, adding sophistication to any room. Wooden serving trays seamlessly blend functionality with timeless beauty, while jewelry boxes become as unique as the treasures they protect. From figurines that whisper tales of Indian heritage to fruit bowls and artistic boxes that double as decor, every item tells a story. Craftsmanship with a conscience. What sets ARTASHI India apart is their dedication to quality and sustainability. Using sustainably sourced wood and metals, we create pieces that are not only breathtaking but also environmentally conscious. Whether it's wall decor, drawer pulls, door pulls, or sculpture art, the attention to detail shines through, making each creation a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Perfect for every occasion. Looking for something special? ARTASHI India's collection includes Christmas gifts and unique gifts that leave a lasting impression. Whether you're enhancing your home or searching for a thoughtful present, their offerings promise to delight. Explore the magic. Ready to bring this artistry into your life? Visit homedecor9.com to explore ARTASHI India's full range of handcrafted wonders.